Right, we'll do lots of real quick ones you'll be able to watch again. Right, 2 times x. So what are we doing? We're replacing x with brackets. So it's obviously simple. 2 times 1 is? The answer is 2. Alright, take a harder one obviously. 3 bracket x plus y. So looking up, you go 3, and this is where the 2 colours of pens come in handy. So we replace x with 1 and y with minus 3. First of all, and you can key all of that into your calculator and get an answer. So don't hold on, just look up. First of all, we have to do what's inside these 2 black brackets. So what's 1 plus minus 3? First of all, when you're adding and subtracting, you can plus and a minus becomes a minus, isn't it? Right, well you can key that into your calculator if you're not too sure. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. What's 3 times minus 2? Minus 6. As I said, if you're not too sure, key all of it into your calculator just to make sure that you did it correctly. Right, another example. 3y squared. Looking up. So replace again the y with a bracket and go squared. Y is minus 3. Use a calculator at this point if you like. What's minus 3 squared? It means minus 3 times minus 3. Minus times a minus is a plus. So it's 9. 3 times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. Another one. What about x squared, y squared? Again, replace x with a brackets and y with a brackets. X is 1 and y is minus 3. These 2 are multiplied by each other, aren't they? Alright. They're multiplied by each other. 1 squared means 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is 1 times minus 3 squared means minus 3 times minus 3 is 9. What's 1 times 9? The answer is 9. What about, it looks harder, but x minus 2y plus 3x. So put in your, brackets as well there. Right, so put in your brackets, write it out first like that. X is 1, isn't it? Y is minus 3. And here x is 1. And use your calculator. Type that in as you see it and you should get the correct answer. I'd advise you to do that if you're not good at sorting things out. But if we look at this bit first, what's minus 2 times minus 3?
Plus 6.
Plus 6. What's 1 plus 6? 7. And 2 times 7 here is 14. 3 times 1 is 3. 14 plus 3, 17. As I said, you could type that whole line in there once you have the correct numbers put in, and that's your answer. In an examination, if you wrote down this line correctly with the brackets and the correct numbers in it, and mistype one number on your calculator, you'd still get 7 marks out of 10. But if you didn't write out this second line that I'm showing you with the brackets, and just typed in your calculator, typed it into your calculator and got the wrong answer, you get 3 marks out of 10. Alright.